I am ready to show off my winter Christmas lantern. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner. And what she wanted us to do was to use a lantern to either decorate a space or for us to decorate a lantern for the holiday. And I have a lantern that I found. It was in my mom's garage when we were cleaning it out, and I liberated it and I brought it home, and I like to use it for rustic situations. So let me show you what I managed to do with it. Right here, and then I'm going to set this lantern on top of that, and then I'm going to take this little summer tea light and just turn it upside down like this and set it inside the lantern. And I've got this wreath that I had from last year, and as you know, this lantern is a found item, and I'm going to just sit it around the lantern like that. So I've got this tucked around the lantern, and let's just tuck in some of this greenery. So I've got the greenery all around the lantern, and now what I'm going to do is take the shield off, and I'm going to put a little tea light in, and this will look really nice and cozy at night. And now we'll set this inside here. Oh, this smells so good, just so fresh. A nice fresh pine scent. And there it goes. I might need to get a little bit more greenery to put around the front. Let me do that. I'll be right back. And while I'm working, putting this together, everything just smells so fresh. I mean, the fresh smell of pine is just, I don't know, it just shouts Christmas and it shouts winter. And I'm really pleased that I decided to use these fresh pine boughs from my own backyard. So here's my winter Christmas lantern. It'll look nice and cozy in the dark. So I'll bring you back out and let you see what it looks like in the dark. There's just no way to get a good, well-lit picture, but this just looks so cozy here on the porch. Just look at that. I just think it just looks so cozy. Just a nice little globe to welcome our guests. Now let me take this opportunity to thank Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this collaboration. She does this seasonally, so every season there's a new challenge with a lantern, but the Christmas season just makes it that much more special. If you're not familiar with Kenya's Decor Corner, I will link her channel below so you can check her out. And I will also link the playlist when it's available so that you can see what all the other creators have done to decorate with lanterns in their homes. And if you like this video, I've got a few more videos that I'm sure you will just love. I'll show you a few of my Christmas decor videos from last year. I'll link them above and link them below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video. Bye.